Good morning, classmates. It's our blooming, pretty Papa Day. Today, I will share with all of you that how I express my love to my girlfriend. How about you, classmates? How you express your love to someone? I have plenty of samples that how I express my love to my girlfriend in non-verbal. I express my love to her by being honest, respect her all the time, and to be loyal. I express it by simply being strong enough to fight for the love that what we have, for the love that we share, against the trials that we encounter. How about you, classmate? Do you respect your girlfriend or boyfriend?
Yes.
Are you sure? Anyway, I have also plenty of samples that how I express my love to my girlfriend in verbal. We discussed earlier non-verbal, but now we go to verbal. First of all, I express my love to her by simply saying, I love you. I express my love by giving her some food, some gift. And I also give myself to her. Some foods, fast food chain, street foods, and so on. I invite her to go outside, go in malls, and to make some love. And to protect her. I express my love to her by not saying these words. I will love you until your heart stops beating. But by saying these words to her, I will love you forever. That's all. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my topic. And let me finish my speech by saying, love one another. Thank you.